people look at the sperm, and people use cell phones, and the sperm, usually sperm swim, and they swim straight. But if you expose them to radio frequency, mobile phone waves, they swim in a circle.
They're linked to chronic, there's a chronic link to cancer. It decreases your sperm mobility and
has put billions and billions of dollars in the past 30 years to mislead the public as to the health effects and keep the public uninformed.
Children are much more affected than adults, and there are clear indications of a link between increased electromagnetic fields and autism spectrum disorders.
We took 10 autistic
signals under the form of radio frequencies. Well, then there is no doubt that artificial radio frequencies such as those of cell towers, and in particular these new types of towers that have a much higher
radiation can lead to cancerous heart tumors, brain tumors, DNA damage. Wireless radiation is linked to infertility, to autism, Alzheimer's, and more.